So the Anchutz BR50 19-inch barrel bench rest, and this is a Anchutz 2013 action, single shot, no magazine, trigger breaks at between 1 pound and 2 pounds. It's got a Anchutz marked barrel there, but it's actually marked by Champions Choice. Not sure if you can see that down here. And so it's a BR50. It's actually got a Macmillan stock on it. Anchutz BR50 ammo test. We have RWS R50 and Eley black. And the groupings, starting at the top, were not great, and then I think that was a lot of my error. And then as we move down, they get significantly better. But I think, as you can tell, the R50 group, while it's not centered, is a little bit better than the Eley match. So I think I'm going to go with the R50 on the next match and see how that does. Hopefully move me up a slot.